If you guys are here, not here, you are here. So the legs are here. You're going to push the ankle. So one leg over here, another leg over here. When you are moving the leg like this, be very careful and ask them, okay? And make sure the kneecaps are tight. If you move the leg, keeping the legs bent, it's of no use. This should be tight all the time. Tale straight agitkolli. Kaiyina kedaga barledu. And the other hand must be in line with the shoulder. See, the pressure that you feel here has to be transferred to your hand, and then you press the palm. If you press your palm over there, the leg will move a bit more closer towards the ear than before. Try for yourself. Ashtina? This is the easiest way. For some, you may find it extremely painful if you support both the ankles. In that case, just support here for the thighs. Ivrige ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗತ್ತೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ನಾನು ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Don't support both the ankles. Probably ಅವ್ರ ಸುಕನ್ಯಾ ನೀವು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ನೀನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. Rest of you just support here and don't apply any pressure over here at all. Just move this one. ಎಲ್ಲರದು ಥೈಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Once you start moving this leg, this will automatically come up. You have to press here. I won't press. Because if I press here, it's excruciating pain for you guys. Okay? Only then the pelvic widening will start to happen. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಕುತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಅವಾಗ ನೋಡಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಆರಾಮ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. You'll feel very comfortable.